In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a worksheet from a workbook. It's rather easy. So we're going to go over to our Excel spreadsheet that we've been looking at and using in the last video or so. It's called 08 Spa Services. And we had added a totals and a survey tab. And we want to take these out. So one way, and I think the easiest way, right click, delete. The other way, I'll do it with the totals tab. Go up to your home tab, go up to your delete button on your cells group, and we're going to delete the sheet. And that's all there is to it.